Okay, so this is how to measure each ingredient for the Rice Krispie Treat Lab, and I'm actually making this at the end of the day, so I've just had classes make the Rice Krispie Treats, and I see that I do need a video showing how to do everything, so I will be doing that. You might see some ingredients that, it's like the end of them, but I can still use them to show you guys. Alright, so first up, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter for the Rice Krispie Treat Lab, and we can see on the butter package that the tablespoons are printed on there. We need 3, so all you have to do is count out 3, and then you can use a cutting board to just use your knife and cut where you need it, okay? You can see that I actually already had cut some, and when you have gotten your ingredients, you do put them into a custard cup, okay? So I had counted out 3 tablespoons from this stick of butter. I cut it. I unwrapped it. You don't have to do that until you get back to your kitchen, but you do put the butter into a custard cup. For the 3 even cups of marshmallows, the marshmallows will just be in a big bowl. All you have to do is dip your 1 cup dry measuring cup into the bowl, scoop it out. See how I have it heaping full? We don't want that. So I'm going to shake it a little bit, get those extras off there, get it as close to level as I can. Whoops. Get it as close to level as I can, and I'm going to put that into a mixing bowl because it won't fit into a custard cup. So dip it in, scoop it out, level it off a little bit by shaking, and then put it into the mixing bowl. I need 3 cups of that. You can see that there's also a spoon in this bowl if you need it, so you can use that if you're close to having it full. And then once you have the right amount, put it in the mixing bowl. For the cereal, I need 2 1-cups, and I need a 4th cup as well. So that's going to be the same thing. Dip it in, scoop it out, shake it to level it, put it in the mixing bowl. Again, there's a spoon if you need it. So that was 2 cups, and then I also have to do 1/4 cup. Okay, so for the vanilla extract, there's going to be a custard cup at the teacher table that you can hold my measuring spoon over, because you only need 1/8 teaspoon, so you have to use my measuring spoon. And you might be able to tell there's been a lot that has spilled into my custard cup. You just leave that there. I'll take care of it at the end of the day. So to pour the liquid in, you just hold your measuring spoon, pour the vanilla. You can see I spilled, that's why I have that there. And then I will take my actual measurement to a new custard cup. And the last thing will be a teeny tiny pinch of salt, okay? So all you'll have to do is pinch it, let some fall off your finger because we don't want it to be very much, and put it into a custard cup. It is a very, very small amount. I'm not even sure you're going to be able to tell there's any in here. The camera is not good enough to tell. Yeah, let's see. You can kind of see some white stuff. But yeah, what I'm showing you is it is a very, very small amount.